In physical chemistry is the study of macroscopic and microscopic study of organic and inorganic compounds. From the group 1, total number of hours is 27 and total number of marks allotted for this 24. Number of total hours is 37 hours required and total marks is 32. This is the major group having major marks. Hello everyone, this is Harshita Bhavasar from Vidhyaashram PU College Temple of Excellence. I am from the chemistry department and today I am going to give the introduction of second PUC syllabus and also the topics based on its syllabus and the lab content which will be helpful for your examination purpose also. And contents what we are discussing in the introduction part is what is chemistry, branches of chemistry, course structure in theory as well as practical, question paper pattern, blueprint and reference book. What is chemistry? We know that chemistry is a branch of science that deals with composition, properties and properties of the organic and inorganic compounds, whether the energy has been released, the energy has been absorbed during its reaction and composition has been changed or not before the reaction and after the reaction. Everything will deals with chemistry, and we know that already chemistry has a wide range in our environment also, and it has an important role in our daily life also. Okay. There are mainly 3 branches in chemistry, that is organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry and physical chemistry. Other than this also other branches also are there, but in our syllabus we are going to study about organic, inorganic and physical chemistry. What is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry deals with organic compounds which are the mainly compounds of hydrogen and carbon, its reaction and its mechanisms. Okay. Here inorganic chemistry, it will deals with inorganic compounds. Inorganic compounds are nothing but other than carbon and hydrogen, and the overall study of periodic table, its properties as well as its trend. In physical chemistry is the study of macroscopic and microscopic study of organic and inorganic compounds, also the overall periodic table elements, and we will study so many physical constraints and physical variables also we will study. Okay, these are the 3 major concepts or branches of chemistry. And our pattern of examination in chemistry has been divided into 70 plus 30. 70 marks is included for theory and 30 marks is included for practical. Okay. In the practical examination in your colleges only will held, and through external examiners that 30 marks will be given. Okay. And this is 70 in your overall theoretical examination. Okay. This year I am going to explain about the year of 2023 syllabus onwards, but in the previous years and all, these are the chapters which was involved in your syllabus, but in this year not completely 16 chapters are not there, only 10 chapters are involved in your syllabus. Other 6 chapters have been deleted. So which are those chapters? Deleted means solid state and surface chemistry, general principles and process of isolation of elements, P-block elements, and here polymers and chemistry in everyday life. These are the 6 chapters which has been deleted in your syllabus from the year 2023. Okay. These 6 chapters no need to study, and also if you see the textbook, these chapters have been deleted. Okay. Remaining 10 chapters, solution, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, D and F block elements, coordination compounds, haloalkanes and haloarenes, alcohols, phenols and ethers, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, organic compounds containing nitrogen, those are amines, and biomolecules. Overall 10 chapters you will study and it will be included for your examination purpose. Okay. The overall course structure will see, the course has been divided into organic, inorganic and physical chemistry. First we'll see in the group 1, physical chemistry has been involved. Why this unit number means? Because the remaining unit numbers have been deleted. So I have given the same unit numbers which was there in your textbook. In the physical chemistry branch, solution, electrochemistry and chemical kinetics you will study. Okay. In solution, types of solution and so many laws included for the solution, and also like Henry's law and Raoult's law. Types of solution means ideal solution and non-ideal solutions, and what are the factors involved in the solution part also you will study. The number of hours required is 9 hours. Marks weightage is 8. Next, electrochemistry. In this chapter you will study about electrochemical cells, electrolytic cells, and there also Faraday's first law and second law will be present, and conductance of electric current, resistance of electric current and other factors which will help for the electrochemistry background we will study in this chapter. And here the hours allotted for this chapter is 9 hours. Marks was allotted for this is 8 marks. Okay. Next chapter is chemical kinetics. In this chapter, chemical kinetics, you will study about rate of a reaction, the factors dependent on the rate of a reaction, and how the factors will affect for the reaction through catalyst, as well as the Arrhenius theory also you will study with collision theory. Okay. Number of hours allotted for this chapter is 9 and marks is overall 8 marks. Okay. From the group 1, total number of hours is 27 and total number of marks allotted for this 24. In the group 2 part, that is from inorganic chemistry branch, unit 8, 9 has been retained, and the inorganic chapters are D and F block elements and coordination compounds. D and F block elements, here you will study about the overall transition elements, its properties, its reactivities and its trends, and also F block elements, its electronic configuration, properties and its reactivities with some of the anomalous nature, and difference between the D and F block elements and its applications. So, total number of hours allotted for this chapter is 9 hours and marks allotted was 8 marks. Next, coordination compounds. It is also a part of inorganic chemistry and it is a type of inorganic compounds. Here you will study about ligands, coordination spheres, coordination overall compounds, types of isomerisms in coordination compounds. Like that you will study one by one. Nomenclature also here you will study to how to write the complexes names and how to write the names, convert the names to its molecular complexes. Everything you will study, and this is the new category which you will study in second year. The number of hours is 7 hours and marks is 6 marks allotted for this chapter. Total from group 2 you will have 16 hours to complete syllabus, and here 14 marks allotted for this chapters. Okay, for this group 2. From group 3, a huge chapter list only there, that is from organic chemistry. Unit 10 to 14, there is no deletion in between, and those are haloalkanes and haloarenes, alcohols, phenols and ethers, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid, organic compounds containing nitrogen, those are amines, biomolecules. Okay, these are all overall 5 chapters including in organic chemistry which are very much important. And from the haloalkanes and haloarenes, you will study its properties, nomenclature of IUPAC nomenclature, how to write those haloalkenes and haloarenes, methods of preparation of both haloalkenes and haloarenes, and physical properties as well as chemical properties you will study. Okay, number of hours 7. Total marks allotted for this chapter is 6 marks. Next, alcohols, phenols and ethers. These are all the functional groups. Here you will study the separate categories of individual functional group like preparation of alcohols, physical and chemical properties of alcohols, IUPAC nomenclature of alcohols, classification of alcohols and overall uses of alcohols. Like that in phenols also IUPAC nomenclature, preparation and physical and chemical properties, uses of phenols. Ethers also, IUPAC nomenclature, how it has been manufactured and what are the physical and chemical properties are present in that functional group. For this chapter to complete 8 hours are required and total number of marks is 7. Next, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. In this chapter also you will study about individual categories. In all the categories you will study its nomenclature, preparation, physical and chemical properties of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid and its uses. To complete this chapter, 9 hours is required because it is little bit lengthy chapter and also 8 marks is allotted. Okay. Next, amines, that is organic compounds containing nitrogen. Here also same thing, IUPAC nomenclature, properties, physical and chemical properties and preparation, its uses. Okay. Total number of hours 6 and marks is 5 marks. Next chapter is biomolecules. In this biomolecules, you will study about hormones, carbohydrates, proteins and nucleic acids. Everything you will study. How the molecules have been related with biological factors also you will study. Okay. Total hours allotted for this chapter is 7 hours. Given weightage for this is 6 marks. Okay. From the group 3, that is from organic chemistry branch or organic chemistry group, number of total hours is 37 hours required and total marks is 32. This is the major group having major marks. Okay. And also I have to tell you one thing, and still as per the year 2023 they have not given any blueprint. The updated blueprint they have not given. This is about the based on last year's blueprint. I have whatever the number of hours and whatever the number of marks they have given, from that I have extracted and I have given here. Okay. Still they have not given the blueprint of the updated syllabus. But also if you add with the given syllabus, overall 70 marks will be given. Okay. From group 1, group 2 and group 3, total marks is 70 and number of hours required is 80 hours. It has been reduced from 120 hours to 80 hours and 110 marks to 70 marks. Okay. Still they have not given the blueprint for this year. Okay. It has to get updated from the board itself. And question paper pattern, they have given overall 5 parts. The question paper has been divided into 5 parts. Part A, Part B, Part C and Part D. In the Part D, 5th and 6th main have been allotted. Okay. Further subdivided. From the Part A, number of questions is 20. In that 15 questions is MCQ. 5 questions are fill in the blanks. Fill up the blanks. Okay. 15 plus 5. But marks, number of questions, everything you have to answer. That is compulsory questions. 15 plus 5 MCQ and fill up the blanks you have to answer. And individual marks is 1 mark. Total is 20 marks for the Part A. Okay. Part A, once again I am telling, they have given like 15 plus 5, 15 for MCQ multiple choice questions, 5 for fill up the blanks, and both the mains you have to attend. Those are all compulsory questions. Okay. Each question will carry 1 mark. Total from Part A you will be getting 20 marks. Next, Part B, number of questions will be 8. Number of questions you have to answer is 4. In 8 you have to answer 4 questions only. But each question carry 2 marks. So, 4 into 2, 8 marks will be from Part B. In the Part C, number of questions given 8. Number of questions you have to answer is 4. Okay. In each question carry will 3 marks. 4 into 3, 12 marks you will get from Part C. In Part D, 5th and 6th main will be there. We will see now 5th main. Number of questions will be 5. Number of questions you have to answer is 3. Marks will be given. Each question carries 5 marks. Here sub question will be present. That each question will be subdivided. Okay. Total questions will be, total marks allotted for main, 5th main is 15 marks. Like that, in Part D only, 6th main, questions will be given 6. Number of questions you have to answer is 3 questions. Each question carries 5 marks. So, 5 into 3 is 15 marks. Okay, from this 6th main. You have to answer if you want to get centum in this paper. You have to attend the number of questions whatever they have given, and total 70 out of 70 you will get. The number of questions they will give is 37. This is how the question paper pattern has been divided. Course structure of theory already I have been discussed. As per the 2023 syllabus, after the deletion of syllabus, they have not given blueprint yet. Okay. From the before blueprint itself, I have extracted the given syllabus and its number of hours and marks weightage. Question paper pattern I have also given in this video. And now I am going to explain about course structure of practical particulars, salt analysis, volumetric analysis, viva and class record. In your examination, total number of hours will be given for 2 hours. You know that. Salt analysis you have to do compulsorily. One salt will be provided. In that, one acid radical, one basic radical you have to find out, and you have to report to the in your answer booklet with report. Okay. For that experiment, you will be given 10 marks. Next, volumetric analysis. That is a titration part. You have to write what is given as titrant, what is given as titrate. That is in what is there in conical flask and burette, which is the indicator you are going to use, and what is the end point. Also, the calculation part also you have to write. For that, for doing for the experiment and also writing the calculation and observation part, you will get total 10 marks. Next, viva. The external examiner will going to ask some of the questions. 2 to 4 questions they will ask. For viva part, 4 marks will be allotted. Next, class record. From the regular classes, which all the experiments you are going to conduct in your laboratories, that experiment has to written in your record and submitted for the internal or your class teacher and get signed and sealed through your principal, and college seal should be there. That sealed class record will be valued from external examiner, and if they completely correct, they will allot complete 6 marks. Okay. From overall particulars or overall everything, every step has been done means 30 marks will be given for the student. Okay. See here, in the salt analysis, you will be provided with one salt. You have to analyze one cation, one anion, and you have to report before writing. And if it has been confirmed, you have to write it in your answer booklet. For that, 10 marks. Next, volumetric analysis. Usually, we will be doing 2 titration in your examination, but 1 titration will be given. Most of the times, they will give estimation of the molarity of KMnO4 solution using given standard FAS solution only. This experiment only they will give usually in your examination. For that experiment, 10 marks. Or in your regular classes, they will do the determination of strength of given KMnO4 solution using oxalic acid also. Next, viva questions will be asked based on the experiment. Test for the functional groups present in organic compounds. Viva question will be asked from this experiment only. For that, overall 4 marks. And submission of the duly completed and certified record, 6 marks. Overall, 30 marks will be given. This is about experiments for the chemistry practical examination and also the marks weightage. Reference books, 2nd PUC part 1 and part 2. Okay. As per now syllabus, from part 1 5 chapters are there, from part 2 5 chapters are there. Total 10 chapters you have to study for the theoretical examination. This has been given from NCERT board itself. I hope you have understood the complete syllabus pattern of chemistry 2nd PUC, that is from course theory part as well as in the practical part with the reference books. So, be focused. This is the crucial year for you and this is the turning point for your future also. So, be focused and stay positive and study all the chapters whatever they have given and do well for your examination. Thank you.